Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs in the Irvine Landscapes blog. So I wanted to show you this turf rebate project in the city of Irvine, designed by me, installed by Los Gatos Landscape. But before I do that, I make videos about drought tolerant plants, California native plants, a bit of art, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so this is the front yard. Now, this project was designed by me, installed by Los Gatos Landscape, and if you look at their logo, see the eyes? So the plant palette is lavender because the client really loves lavender, some Siskiyou blue fescue, sundrops in the front, I'll show you in a minute. Some purple sage. Now, around this mailbox, we didn't really plant anything because underneath the gravel is solid concrete. And then we have a Baja bush snapdragon here. We kept the palette relatively simple. Didn't want to complicate things too much. This is the Calliophis Hartwigi sundrops, which will get 3 feet wide. Vista lights. Purple autumn sage. We put 2 uplights to this existing tree so that it would be lit at night. And just a collection of rocks with some little dahlias around it, which will grow. And then the homeowner wanted climbing roses, so we put one here, one here, and then in this area we put more climbing roses, lavender, sage, Siskiyou blue, fescue. Now this eventually is going to get moved to the courtyard, and the client wants to put an Adirondack chair here, but for now we're leaving it. Alright, so this is the backyard area. These were just transplanted in here. We'll see how they do. I know they don't look so well, but we're hoping they survive. These are existing roses. Some were already in this planter and some we transplanted in here. And then we have 2 pots of Rogers red grape that will grow here rather nicely. And the backyard palette is pretty much similar to the front, except for this is the morning glory that the homeowner really wanted. And then the existing fig tree. Now, it will eventually be trimmed. There's just a ton of figs on there still, so we're gonna wait till it's done fruiting before we trim it. Kept some existing trees. This area, which was just concrete, we planted a dwarf Meyer lemon, and then this, which the homeowner found online, because we couldn't find it anywhere in California, is I think it's called a Miami or a Miami kumquat. Okay, so this is the courtyard area where we just have some pots. And the plant palette is pretty much the same as the outside, except we have jasmine here and some existing citrus that were repotted.